Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Klarna in store. To use Klarna in a store, start by opening the Klarna app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to the Wallet section. Inside the Wallet section, look for the option called One-Time Card. Next to it, you will see an option that says Choose Store. Tap on it and select the store where you want to shop. After selecting the store, enter the amount you plan to spend. Make sure you enter the correct amount because Klarna will create a one-time virtual card with that exact value. Once you confirm the amount, Klarna will generate the card and show you the card details. Now, go back to the Wallet section or Card section in the app and open the card you just created. After opening the card, tap on Add to Apple Wallet if you are using an iPhone, or Add to Google Wallet if you are using an Android phone. Follow the instructions on your screen to add the Klarna card to your mobile wallet. Once the card has been added successfully, you are ready to pay in the store. Go to the payment terminal at checkout and make a contactless payment using Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, depending on which one you added the Klarna card to. Hold your phone near the payment terminal until the payment is confirmed. After the payment is completed, Klarna will automatically create a payment schedule for your purchase. You can open the Klarna app anytime to see your upcoming payments, due dates, and payment details. Thanks for watching.